Hey friends, let's explore factors together. It's going to be fun. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly, without any remainder. For example, when we check if 3 is a factor of 12, we try to divide 12 by 3. Since the division is exact, 3 is a factor of 12. Great. Now let's find all factors of a number so the idea becomes clearer. Let's find all the factors of 12. We'll check each number one by one. First, let's check 1. 1 always divides every number, so it is factor. Next, try 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, so 2 is a factor. Now check 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so 3 works too. Next, see if 4 divides 12. 12 divided by 4 gives 3. 4 is factor. Now try 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Another factor. Finally, the number 12 itself is a factor. Nice work. Let's practice the same steps on another number to strengthen the idea. Let's find all the factors of 18. We only need to check numbers up to half of 18, which is 9. First, let's check 1. 1 divides every number, so it is a factor. Next, try 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9, so 2 is a factor. Now check 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, so 3 is also a factor. Let's try 4. 18 divided by 4 leaves a remainder, so 4 is not a factor. How about 5? 18 divided by 5 is not exact, so 5 is not a factor either. Next, try 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 6 is a factor. Now check 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 9 is a factor too. Finally, the number 18 itself is always a factor. Now that we've seen 2 examples, let's take a moment to look at some key facts about factors before we move on. Every number has at least 2 factors, one in the number itself. Factors always divide a number exactly. Factors come in pairs that multiply to the number. Alright, now let's try a couple of quick questions to check your understanding. Can you find the factors of 10? Take a moment to think. Here are the factors of 10. Let's try one more. Now try finding the factors of 16. Think about the numbers that divide it exactly. Here are all the factors of 16. Great. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. Let's quickly recap what we learned about factors. A factor is a number that divides another number without remainder. Every number has at least 2 factors, one in the number itself. Factors come in pairs that multiply to the given number. Great job today. Keep practicing and you'll master factors easily. Great job today. Thanks for learning with BrightStack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.